were a palette of inspiration. I was lost in the 10,000 things, and then suddenly life was flowing like the Tao Te Ching. Sunshine, now I know I am so loved, so loved, so. I had an articulated skeleton or two, but they slid off their axes as I met you. In your angel smile, a flash of the devil's grin, and suddenly it was clear there was no reckoning. Sunshine, now you know you are so loved, so loved, so. I'm living that feeling they say none other can compare. And it's not fleeting, no, it is quite clear that this one ain't going nowhere. I had some numb expectations. You triggered the sensations. I felt my heart jump start in my little chest. Simply life was looking much less dangerous.